Lift the sliding door upwards until the sliding rail is revealed. Then move it out. Please note that the top of the door is connected by a spring. Find the screw that connects the spring at the top of the door and unscrew it. And similarly, the screws connecting the spring chain on the door frame should be unscrewed. Start replacing the prepared sliding glass door. Connect the spring back to the door and frame. Align the door with the sliding groove. Then put forth to insert it upwards, and then push the bottom inward until the entire door is fully installed into the sliding groove.